Hello to all you good people. You're watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I am Vinita Chatterjee. Let's look at today's headlines. Bitcoin fluctuates near $38,500 ahead of third round of Russia-Ukraine talks. Coinbase blocks 25,000 Russian addresses linked to illegal activities. Ukraine uses $70 million of crypto funds for defense against Russia. Binance launches Fiat-to-Crypto payment service. Crypto exchange FTX announces European expansion. Griffin Gaming raises $750 million fund with eye on Web3. Whale holdings in ADA jump to record. Israeli authorities seize digital assets tied to Hamas terror group. Bitcoin recouped some of its losses in late evening Asian trades ahead of the third round of talks between Russia and Ukraine on Monday. The development comes amid a temporary ceasefire in Ukrainian cities of Sumy, Kyiv, Kharkiv, and Mariupol to open corridors for evacuation of civilians. Russia is demanding that Ukraine cease military action, change its constitution to enshrine neutrality, acknowledge Crimea as Russian territory, and recognize the separatist republics of Donetsk and Luhansk as independent territories. Bitcoin, the oldest cryptocurrency, traded at $38,698, little changed over the past 24 hours, while traders continued to scoop up the currency across exchanges, creating a shortage. Ether was at about $2,590, off nearly 2% from a day ago. Coinbase, an American cryptocurrency exchange, has blocked over 25,000 addresses related to Russian individuals or entities believed to be engaged in illicit activity. The exchange said that these accounts were identified through its own proactive investigations and that the addresses have been shared with the US government to further support sanctions enforcement. The move comes just days after Brian Armstrong, CEO at Coinbase, said they will comply with the sanctions against Russia. However, Armstrong also stressed that Coinbase will not be banning Russians from using the exchange preemptively. Ukraine has received over $70 million in cryptocurrency donations from around the world ever since the Russian troops invaded the country later last month. Alex Bonyakov, the Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, stated in a Twitter post that they spent 69% of the donations on army support, 19% humanitarian help, and 12% on general aid. The minister hopes to double the amount in the coming days. Most of these donations have been in Bitcoin and Ether. The country has also received donations in Tether, Polkadot, and Solana. Several large corporations like Amazon, Airbnb, and Snapchat have announced huge donations. Binance has pledged $10 million of donations for Ukraine. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has launched a new in-house service called Bifinity that will allow direct fiat-to-crypto payment transfers. The exchange aims to help other businesses become crypto-ready by allowing them to transfer funds directly through the new feature. Bifinity will support more than 50 digital assets and all major payment methods, including Visa and MasterCard. Merchants will be able to employ simple, intuitive, and seamless API integration to prepare their businesses for cryptocurrency payments. The company also promised low-cost payment processing fees for customers and a top-tier KYC onboarding process. According to Bifinity's president, Helen Kai, the service will aim to accelerate mass crypto adoption. The world's seventh largest crypto exchange, FTX, owned by Sam Bankman-Fried, is launching a new European affiliate, FTX Europe. The company said FTX Europe will offer the parent's products and services to European Union clients via a partnership with a licensed investment firm it didn't name. FTX Europe will be headquartered in Switzerland with approval to operate from Cypriot Financial Regulator CYSEC. The company will also have a regional base in Cyprus, it said in a statement on Monday. FTX said its license from Cyprus will allow it to provide services and a variety of cryptocurrency products across the European Economic Area via the continent's passporting regime, which allows the firms to operate across borders. Patrick Grun will be the head of FTX Europe, according to the statement. Griffin Gaming Partners announced that investors had committed at least $750 million for its second fund, making it one of the largest venture capital funds singularly focused on the global gaming market. Major institutions, university endowments, family offices, sovereign wealth funds, and strategic partners in the gaming industry were among the investors in Griffin's Fund Round 2. According to Griffin Partners, the fund has already invested in 16 projects related to Web3 to date, accounting for more than half of the deployed capital. According to Griffin Partners co-founder Nick Tuosto, enablement of digital asset ownership within games may be the single most important technological unlock in the history of games, while Web3 is among the central themes from a macro perspective within games. Griffin Gaming was founded in 2019 by Sanderson, Tuosto, and Peter Levin, with Lion Tree, a boutique M&A firm where Tuosto serves as managing director, as a strategic partner to Griffin. Griffin invests in seed to growth rounds for game content, software infrastructure, and social platforms, as well as gaming-related Web3 companies. Portfolio companies include blockchain gaming platform Forte and Discord, a messaging app popular in crypto circles. Large investors known as whales are reportedly accumulating a significant stake in Cardano's ADA token as the decentralized finance protocols see rapid growth. The balance held by addresses with 1 million to 10 million coins climbed to a record of 12 billion ADA, which is equivalent to $9.72 billion last week, a 41% gain since late January, according to data. The total value locked in the Cardano network has hit a record of $160.79 million, according to DeFi Llama. More than 70% of the funds are locked in decentralized exchange, DEX, SundaySwap. Whales are positioning themselves on Cardano's bright prospects after the launch of smart contracts in September 2021. Israeli Defense Minister Benny Gantz has signed the order to seize the digital currencies that has been used to fund Hamas terror group. The government seized the assets from 12 digital accounts, including about 30 wallets belonging to businesses that were tied to the Al Machadun currency exchange. According to the ministry statement, the exchange was owned by the Shamlach family, whose funds the government has been pursuing for years. The ministry has previously declared the family as a terror organization. In January, the ministry claimed to have seized 2.6 million shekels in digital currencies from an exchange run by Hamas. Thank you so much for watching the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.